Steamy, salty, and slurpy. Ramen! This signature Japanese dish is now an international favorite. Ramen as we know it comes from Japan, but its popularity in the country is actually pretty new. No one quite knows exactly when ramen came to the nation of islands, but one theory is that it was originally a soup brought by Chinese migrant workers in the late 19th century, and Japanese folks eventually added their own unique swag to the cheap and filling dish, and bam, we were blessed with ramen. And the dish was a hit with hard-working Japanese laborers. Then Japan entered World War II, which led to major food shortages across the country, and ramen's popularity, well, pretty much disappeared. When the war ended, the US occupied Japan and imported a whole lot of wheat to the country, leading to more noodle consumption. Oh, and one reason why there was so much wheat imported was because there was a fear that food shortages could lead to communist uprisings. After those really hard times, from the 1950s to 1970s, Japan went through an economic boom. Growing industrialization led to ramen's popularity as a wholesome meal for workers in need of something fast, affordable, and delicious. Yummy! And busier lifestyles led to the creation of instant ramen in the 1950s. Then in the 1970s, the super convenient just add water quintessential dorm food cup o noodles was made, and it took off like wildfire in Japan and internationally. But it wasn't until the 1980s that ramen actually became an iconic part of Japanese culture. Today, the love for ramen is real in Japan, and what was once a working man's food is now a widely loved and devoured dish around the world.